Once there lived a man named Thompson. He lived with his wife, Laura, and their two kids, Jack and Lily. Thompson worked in an office. He loved his family a lot and cared for them. But he had one habit that bothered everyone. He loved food. Not just a little. He loved it too much. He ate all the time. He ate large meals, snacked often, and even indulged in late-night bites. Laura didn't like it. She often warned him,
"Eating too much isn't good for your health."
But he never listened. Food was his weakness. One morning, the breakfast table was full. There was fresh juice, cheese sandwiches, toast with butter and jam, and boiled eggs. Thompson sat down and started eating fast. He drank the juice, took big bites of the sandwiches, and loaded jam on his toast. Then he grabbed one boiled egg, then another, and then a third. Laura watched quietly and shook her head. Jack leaned toward Lily and whispered,
"How many eggs is he going to eat?"
After breakfast, Thompson wiped his mouth and asked,
"Did you bake the pizza for my lunch?"
"I did,
Laura replied.
but the topping isn't done yet."
She walked to the oven and carefully took out the big pizza. Jack and Lily's eyes widened. It was huge.
"Can we take a slice for lunch?"
Lily asked hopefully.
"No,
Thompson replied firmly.
I'm taking the whole pizza."
Laura sighed.
"It's too much for one person. I haven't added toppings yet. There's already cheese, butter, and so many things."
"Just do it."
Thompson said.
"More cheese, olives, and sausages. That's how I like it."
Reluctantly, Laura finished the pizza. Just how he liked it. Thompson packed it for lunch, and the kids sadly left with their lunch boxes. Just an egg sandwich inside. At the office, Thompson placed his big pizza box in the fridge. His colleagues exchanged glances.
"Who can eat a pizza that big?"
Whispered one.
"That much cheese and ketchup?
Said another, shaking his head.
I'd be sick." "His stomach must be made of iron,"
Joked a third. As the clock ticked toward lunch, Thompson started getting hungry.
"Just a little more time,
He whispered to himself.
then I'll enjoy my favorite pizza."
Finally, the lunch break bell rang. Thompson rushed to the fridge, but the pizza was gone.
"What? Who stole my lunch?"
He cried. His colleagues came out from their cabins. Mrs. Jasmine stepped closer and said,
"Not me. I don't even eat chicken."
Mr. Smith shrugged.
"I don't like cheese."
Thompson's eyes fell on Arthur. There was melted cheese stuck in Arthur's beard.
You eat it!"
Thompson shouted. Arthur calmly said,
"I had salad. Ask anyone."
Mrs. Jasmine nodded.
He's right. I saw him eat salad.
Just then, the boss, Mr. Simon, stepped out of his cabin, holding the pizza box.
Are you all talking about this?
He asked. Arthur pointed.
Sir, that's Thompson's pizza.
Mr. Simon chuckled.
Oh, I saw it alone in the fridge. I thought someone forgot it, so I took it. Sorry, Thompson.
He handed it back. Thompson laughed.
Next time, I'll write my name in block letters on the box. Maybe even add a warning.
Everyone, including Mr. Simon, burst into laughter. Moral: check facts first.